Okay guys, just wanted to do a quick little walk around video on the 1971 VW. This is a Westfalia camper. So it does have the pop top, which does work. It does have the netting, which is there. This is a very original 1971, so this has not been restored. It's been painted probably quite some time ago, and it's ho-hum, not a great paint job. Down here, I'll just zoom in here real quick. This is the place where you would install your electrical plug-in for like shore power. I do have the receptacle that goes into that, so that can be mounted. These are the original dog dish hubcaps. I just started it. It's sitting here running, idling. There is no cancerous rust in this. So this video is going to be the outside, and then I'll do another video showing the inside. Keep it short. No smoke. Solid runner. See if we can kick that idle down just a little bit. There you go. Purring like a kitten. Let me just show you real quick. Lots of extra parts. So dash parts, trim pieces. This also has the tent. This is the full tent that mounts when you open the barn door, or the slide door, excuse me. This is the full tent with stakes. Here's canvas. I'll show you while we have this. Look how nice this top is up here. Super nice. Headliner's just hanging down a little bit, or what somebody made into kind of a wooden headliner. I'll do another video on the interior.